A healthy garden does not rely on chemicals. It relies on balance. Certain plants naturally protect your space. They repel pests, attract beneficial insects, and create a stable ecosystem. These are often called guardian plants. They work quietly but consistently. In this video, we explore 5 beautiful guardian plants. Each one adds protection, structure, and visual appeal to your garden. Marigolds are widely known for their pest control abilities. They release compounds from their roots that suppress nematodes in the soil. Their scent also repels aphids, whiteflies, and beetles. Marigolds grow quickly and adapt to many conditions. They prefer full sun and moderate watering. Visually, they bring warm tones into the garden. Bright orange and yellow flowers create strong contrast against green foliage. Use marigolds as border plants or between vegetables. They act as both protection and visual highlights. Rosemary is a woody herb with strong pest-repelling properties. Its scent deters cabbage moths, carrot flies, and mosquitoes. It thrives in full sun and dry, well-drained soil. Once established, it requires minimal maintenance. Rosemary grows into a structured, evergreen shrub. It provides year-round form and texture in the garden. Use rosemary as a hedge or anchor plant. It creates a stable framework while offering continuous protection. Lavender is one of the most reliable pest-repelling plants. Its strong fragrance naturally deters mosquitoes, moths, and fleas. The scent comes from essential oils in the leaves and flowers. These oils are pleasant to humans, but overwhelming for many insects. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It prefers dry conditions and does not tolerate excessive moisture. In the garden, lavender creates structure. Its soft purple blooms add calm, consistent color along walkways and borders. Plant it near entrances or seating areas. This creates a protective barrier while enhancing the sensory experience. Basil is more than a culinary herb. It actively repels flies and mosquitoes. The leaves produce aromatic compounds that insects avoid. Basil grows best in warm temperatures and full sun. It requires consistent watering but good drainage. Regular pruning encourages bushy growth and stronger aroma. In the garden, basil adds dense green texture. It works well near patios, kitchens, or outdoor dining areas. Placing basil close to human activity zones creates a natural insect barrier. Nasturtiums function as trap crops. They attract pests away from more valuable plants. Aphids, whiteflies, and caterpillars prefer nasturtium leaves. This helps protect nearby vegetables and flowers. They grow easily in poor soil and full sun. Too much fertilizer reduces flowering, so minimal feeding is best. Visually, nasturtiums bring a relaxed, flowing look. Their round leaves and bright blooms soften hard edges in the garden. Use them along borders or let them spill over containers. They create movement while serving a protective role. A pest-free garden is not about control. It is about cooperation. By choosing the right plants, you reduce problems naturally. You support beneficial insects and create long-term balance. Lavender, marigold, basil, nasturtium, and rosemary each play a role. Together, they form a living defense system. At the same time, they bring color, structure, and life into your space. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these plants to your garden. Over time, you will notice the difference. Fewer pests, healthier plants. A garden that works with nature, not against it.